So I'm starting to finish the side of the Privy with a technique called Shoshugiban. Shoshugiban, I believe, is Japanese, and it translates into burnt cedar plank. So it is just what it sounds like. You take fire to the wood and you char it. And the charring protects it from rain, it protects from insects, and it gives it a pretty interesting look. So you can see the side that is not charred and the side that is charred. I charred the seams up to this point, and I was going to get a little footage of this happening. A typical male child likes to play with fire, so that's what I have in the form of a torch, propane torch. It's a seemingly random pattern, but you do see the grain come out in some of the sections better than others. This is not recommended on pressure-treated lumber, which would be the stuff on the frame at the bottom. But most of the other lumber, such as the 2x4s and the plywood, should be okay as long as you're doing it outside in a well-ventilated area. Thankfully, I am. So you can see the grain of the wood start to come out as the heat is applied to it. One of the benefits of this is on this plywood, you can see the little embers from where it was left roughly sawn or shaped, and those little splinters are ignited and now gone, reducing the surface area to catch stuff like water or debris from the surrounding area, which would reduce rot and moisture buildup. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.